Hey guys, this is Carrie with Core Marketing Group. I had a request from a customer, so I thought I would do a quick tutorial on how to set your site on vacation mode, or if you just need to take it down for making updates or other things to your site. So this is the back end to the site, and if we were on the home dashboard, all we're going to do is we're going to go down to Online Store and Preferences. This is also great if you are first setting up your shop and you needed to throw up a password protected page while you continue to build your site. So you're going to go right here to the password protection, and all you're going to do is enable it. So for this client, they're going on vacation. So we're just going to put a quick little message here, and then we're going to hit save. And now you'll see their site when we go ahead and refresh it. Now they have this little password protected page with a little message that says be back soon, thanks for stopping by, and then a link to their mailing list. Now on some themes, you have some customization abilities available for your password page. So to see if you have those options, you can go over here to themes and then customize. And then you'll hit this down arrow here and you go to password page. Now, this particular thing does not have any customizations. If you needed to actually update any of this text, what you could do is you could go over here to theme actions and edit languages. And then you can just do a search. So all the text within your site is based here in these fields. So if you wanted to customize things or change any of the text throughout your site, this is where you would go. So if we wanted to change that text, what was be back? Just do a quick search. See, it'll be back soon. So maybe if we want to update this, out of the box standard, it's going to say opening soon. So if we were using this for a vacation method or just doing updates, you can customize that text. We're going to say on vacation, and then hit save, and then you're going to go back over to your site, and we've updated that text. Now, if you want to take down your password protected page, you essentially do the same method. You go down here to Preferences, and essentially just uncheck the password box, hit save, and then your site is live again. So thanks for coming along to this quick tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to connect with us online at Instagram at our tag is Core Marketing, or head over to our website at coremarketinggroup.com. We'd love to connect. Have a great day.